Hello, old friend.
Hello, how are you today?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am good, thank you.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept very well.
That is good to hear.
How is your morning so far?
My morning is calm and peaceful.
I just had a cup of tea.
That sounds nice.
I also had some tea and bread.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, it is sunny and cool.
A perfect day for the garden.
Yes, I think so too.
Shall we go to the garden?
Yes, let's go together. The garden looks very green today.
Yes, the plants are growing well. I see many flowers blooming.
The flowers are very colorful.
I like the red roses the most.
I like the yellow flowers near the fence.
They look bright and happy.
The grass is also very fresh.
Yes, it feels soft under our feet.
Did you water the plants this morning?
Yes, I watered them early.
That is very good.
The vegetables look healthy.
Yes, the tomatoes are getting big.
I see some green cucumbers too.
They will be ready soon. We can pick them next week.
That sounds great. The small tree is growing fast.
Yes, it has many new leaves.
I like sitting under that tree.
It gives nice shade.
The birds are singing today.
Yes, they sound very happy.
I enjoy this quiet time.
Me too, it feels very peaceful.
We worked hard on this garden.
Yes, we did it together.
I feel proud of our garden.
Me too, it is beautiful.
Let's sit on the bench.
Yes, let's rest for a while.
The air smells fresh here.
Yes, it smells like flowers and grass.
This garden makes me happy.
It makes me happy too.
We should take care of it every day.
Yes, we will do that.
Thank you for working with me.
Thank you for being with me.
I enjoy our time together.
Me too, it is a wonderful day.